Welcome to all. This is Vijayalakshmi. If you are watching my videos first time, I have done a prerequisite setup for advanced warehouse setups. You can able to check here. In previous episode, we have created advanced warehouse and prerequisites like location types, location formats, and location for files. And then we have created license plates. Like this we are already created, and the inventory status as we have created. Now this is the last prerequisite setup for our advanced warehouse for a warehouse level. See, then we are going to create a locations under a warehouse, how it's going to be work. Then let us see what are all the warehouses we have in IGUG. Then modules, warehouse, and setup. Under setup we can able to check a warehouse, that is advanced test what we have given. So go to the warehouse tab. Here we can able to select inventory aisles, how many inventory aisles we are having and all. Then click on inventory locations. See, there is no inventory locations have been available at the warehouse level. So now we need to create it. Now this is the warehouse. Now I just want to create locations for receiving. First it's a point of receiver. So R1 I just want to create. Location for file is receiving. This is the first location what we have having. This and all zones we have, like example, if there is any FMCG goods, there's a zones like freezer zones. According to the temperature wise, they are going to be store the products. At the time we are going to be use zones. Then cycle counting, if it is required cycle counting, here we can able to do. And then new again. Here we are going to give R2. Again receiving profile is a receiving. Then okay, fine. Then I just want to give quality checkup for this. Again Q1. Sorry. AD test Q1. Q is not working in my file. Q1 quality checkup. Quality check. Then new. Q2. Again quality check. Once it have been passed, it will go to storage dimension, storage place, no? So inventory storage locations. So there's a many. I just want to create storage locations. Click on location setup wizard. Then warehouse, that is the AWAD advanced test. Then profile, location profile, that is the storage profile. If it is any zones, we can able to see here, and journal IDs we can able to mention. Here we need to give a statistic test. It means what is the alphabet number you need to give. That is I just want to give a storage, means it will be inventory storage IS. Length only one, so I'll give inventory. Then number, we can able to see here how many storages we have, like a 0 and number, it start from 0 1, like contains 2 1 it will contain from 1 to 10 and 2. From 1 to 2 numbers I just want to create it. Then see, this is the digits, how many digits you require, like this. Then click on create. Refresh the page. Here we can able to see the storage locations, like we have created only 2 storages, no, so it have been applicable to 01011 like 1 L number 1 and 01 rack, L number 1, rack number 2, like this. Aisle number 1, rack number 2, aisle number 1, rack number, aisle number 1, rack 1, number 1, aisle number 1, rack number 2, aisle number 2, rack number 1. Like this we can able to mention. Again it's like, see example, if you have created again, if you want to create again, here in a fraction of seconds we can able to create thousands of locations in a second. Yeah, that's all for the video. Thank you for watching.